Alright, I'm going to make a quick video and trying to remove, or make an attempt at least to remove this handle on a Mercedes Sprinter. The tools I'm going to use are these kind of star key wrenches, as you can see here. A flat object to pry part of it off, and that's like going to be this blunt knife. At least I'm going to try and use that. And a piece of paper, which I'll show how to use later. So yeah, wish me luck. The first thing to do is to remove, behind the handle there's on the inside is this rubber cover here, which you need to remove to get to one of the bolts. I'll do that now. Oh, there it goes, there it's off now. So you can see the bolt there now. Move the camera a bit. So there, now, because this bolt is inside the bodywork and there's two layers here, you don't want the bolt to fall in when you're removing it. So I recommend you use a piece of paper like this, roll it around and fold it. It's like a square piece, so I've kind of folded it in half. And that is basically how it works. So when you remove it, it's caught in the paper and doesn't fall inside the bodywork and cause you all sorts of problems in terms of getting it back. And there it is. Got it. If I can. Splash it. Yeah.
Maybe.
You leave that coin in there, maybe that'll help. And last time I unclipped it from here.
What do you mean?
From the back. But I don't know if that will work this time. You know?
Yeah. The key thing,
Oh, here we go. That's it.
Yeah.
Oop, yeah.
You just yanked it out.
I don't know how that happened. I don't know how that happened.
You just yanked it, didn't you?
Alright, that's it. Alright, so I had to get my dad to help me to remove it, as you saw. And in the end it was only one bolt that needs to be removed, and that was the first one I took out of the side there. So now that I've fixed my rust issues, I can put the handle back on. It is very tricky. There you go. That's on. As you can see, there's a kind of trick. Hope you caught that. A little trick to it. I'm going to lift this handle up and I'm going to clip this back on somehow. Hopefully. There you go. And now, this is the only bolt I took off. Alright, now here's me putting the bolt back in. Hopefully, I can just swoop it in there. Like so. So there you go. If you found that helpful, I mean, you just have to kind of just watch it again and again and see how. There's a bit of a trick in how to do it, you know, in terms of removing it. You've got to undo the bolt and then kind of lift this out and then try and unclip this by kind of putting a wedge in there and then unclipping it on the sides with like a slim object. And this, to take it off, obviously you have to kind of twist it. This bit kind of twists to come off. We have to fiddle with this to try and get it off. and that's it really. And then the same kind of trick to put it back on. You have to kind of twist it and kind of mess around. Just watch the video and see how I do it. And yeah, so I hope good luck with that if you try it. And yeah, please subscribe to see more. Cheers, thanks for watching.